Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the mesh files and upload route. You need OBJ or FBX exports ready, sized under 15 MB and cleaned of extra geometry. If you only have a phone, use cloud storage to move files to a PC or a web uploader. Otherwise, sign into Roblox Studio on desktop. Make sure your account has asset upload permissions. Once done, open Studio and a test place so you can import without blocking further steps. Now import the mesh into Roblox Studio and configure it. In Asset Manager, choose Import or drag the FBX/OBJ into the workspace. Studio will create a mesh asset with an ID. You then make a mesh part, paste the asset ID into mesh ID, and adjust scale and size to fit your game units. Set collision to appropriate type and pick materials or textures. Test the orientation and pivot in the viewport, so the mesh behaves correctly when used in mobile builds. Finish by publishing your place and ensuring the mesh is accessible on mobile. Save and publish to Roblox, then confirm the mesh asset is public or owned by your game. Open the Roblox mobile app with the same account and load the published place to verify the mesh appears and behaves. If it fails, make sure mesh size is under limits, asset permissions allow public use, and textures are uploaded. One troubleshooting tip: re-upload with simplified geometry if performance or visibility problems persist.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.